If you or your loved one are in a wreck, car wreck, make sure that you stay safe first. That's the most important thing. Is if it's a minor wreck and you can move your vehicle out of traffic, you need to do that. If it's something where your vehicle is incapacitated or it'd be unsafe to move it out of traffic, stay in your vehicle, call 911 and wait for help to arrive. A lot of times people on the scene of a wreck don't know how bad hurt they are, and the police may come out and say, well, if you don't have serious injuries, we're not going to fill out a report. You want to have a report filled out. Either ask the officer there or go down to your local law enforcement office and fill one out yourself, because it's really important to make sure that you have that report in case an insurance company gives you trouble about paying later. The other thing is get checked out by a medical professional. You want to make sure that if you have any injuries at all, that they're well documented, because at the time you may feel fine, you may have adrenaline. The next day or two, if you're not feeling so fine, go get checked out. That's okay. You need to make sure that you're safe and you're healthy first and foremost. The other thing is make sure that you report to your insurance company what happened. Sometimes the person at the scene will say, oh yes, this is my fault, I'll tell my insurance company, it's going to be fine. Then later on, they change their story. They then have called your insurance company and given their version, which isn't the truth, about what happened, and that's the first your insurance company hears of it. Make sure if you're in a motor vehicle wreck that you call your insurance company and give your version